Video editing is often a tedious and intricate process that requires incredible attention to detail, long hours spent in front of editing software, and the ability to make a bunch of different factors line up and come together to achieve a great final product. Similarly, finding the best laptop to assist in your work also involves a lot of different components. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Yoga 720 is the world's first convertible laptop offering a standard voltage quad-core H-series Intel processor. It features the latest Intel processors and 512GB PCIe SSD storage, and you'll enjoy lightning-fast boot-ups and transfer times. It offers a 360-degree hinge that makes it easy to browse the web in tablet mode, power through projects in laptop mode, or switch into tent mode. It is equipped with JBL stereo speakers, optimized with Dolby Audio Premium. Additionally, 1TB PCIe SSD storage will provide lightning-fast boot-ups and transfer times. And with up to 8GB DDR4 memory, you'll be able to use more apps. Moreover, it has two USB-C ports, one of which is equipped with Thunderbolt 3. It uses a cutting-edge NVIDIA GTX 1050 discrete graphics card, which delivers stunning visuals. You can enjoy vibrant color and detail with up to 4K ultra high definition touchscreen display, edged on three sides with razor thin bezels that maximize your viewing experience. The Microsoft Surface Book 2 can be folded into studio mode to draw and sketch in a more comfortable, natural position. You can experience up to 4 times more power than before and up to 17 hours of battery life. It has the latest quad-core powered Intel Core processors and the best graphics performance yet with the latest NVIDIA GeForce GPUs. Also, it comes with a backlit keyboard and a display designed for touch and Surface Pen. It has a 13.5-inch touchscreen display with enhanced color and graphics. You can connect all your devices with USB 3.1, full-sized SD card, and Surface Dock. Besides, it allows you to detach the stunning PixelSense display to transform Surface Book 2 into a thin and powerful quad-core Intel Core i7 tablet. It supports Surface Pen, delivers the most natural writing and drawing experience. Moreover, you can add Surface Dial, pen, and touch for an immersive creative experience. Its Surface Precision mouse helps you stay in your flow with flawless scrolling, 3 customizable thumb buttons, and the ability to use with up to 3 computers at the same time. The Dell 15.6-inch XPS 159560 multi-touch notebook emphasizes a 15.6-inch Infinity Edge IPS display with a 3840 by 2160 resolution and 5.7mm slim bezels for your viewing enjoyment. Managed by a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card with 4GB GDDR5 VRAM, the XPS 15 is competent of handling multimedia playback and even games. Connect external displays utilizing its HDMI and Thunderbolt 3 port for added multitasking abilities. Also, the system is powered by a 7th gen Kaby Lake 2.5 GHz Intel Core i5 7300HQ quad-core processor. It also has an 8GB of 2400 MHz DDR4 RAM, a 256GB PCIe solid-state drive, an SDXC card slot, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1, Thunderbolt 3, HDMI, and USB 3.0. Windows 10 Pro 64-bit is the introduced operating system. It incorporates all the characteristics of Windows 10 Home, plus many explicitly created for business users, including Hyper-V virtualization, BitLocker data encryption, and remote desktop access. Holding the first place among the list of best editing laptops, we have the MacBook Pro. It is slim and sleek with a 256GB SSD storage, and it features Radeon Pro 555X graphics. It has 2.2 GHz 6-core 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor with turbo boost up to 4.1 GHz, and it delivers fast performance. It offers a Force Touch trackpad that allows for precise cursor control with pressure sensing capabilities, and the Taptic engine provides haptic feedback that brings a sense of touch to what you see. Also, it gives a 15-inch Retina LED backlit display with IPS technology that supports millions of colors and includes Touch Bar with integrated Touch ID sensor. Besides, it features a Radeon Pro discrete GPU in every 15-inch model, combining impressive power with remarkable power efficiency. Moreover, it provides Thunderbolt 3, which combines ultra-high bandwidth with the ultra-versatility of the USB-C industry standard to create one revved-up universal port. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.